Ujjayi pranayama. So people who have snoring issue, sleep apnea, this is a very good exercise. Is this regularly. Don't pressure the nostrils when you inhale like this. No, only the sound is coming at the throat like a slight snoring sound. The best way to get this is practice breathing, opening mouth like this. Open your mouth slightly and you breathe. So let's try. And exhale through the mouth. But you're not supposed to breathe through the mouth. Close your mouth and breathe through the nostrils, but create that sound at the throat like this.